spent. This is called as a print server configuration. Okay.
Okay.
So let me just make you to that.
Not bad.
Print server configuration. Now there is a printer. Okay.
Okay.
This is called network printer.
Okay.
Okay. This is network printer. And you have that is in interface for this.
Yes. Okay. You are saying about LAN interface.
Correct, correct. That has to be interface, correct? This is called interface. Connected to one of the network port. Or you think about switch.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you have that is in by default all the computers?
No.
These are all client computers. And here my Active Directory machine.
Okay.
This is my Active Directory. Right?
Yes.
Where I have created here all the users and computers. Now, this is connected to the network. Okay, I can do that one more member server. Here is a member server. This is my member server. These are all client machine. Okay, these are a client machine. This is my member server, which is you can say print server.
Okay.
Okay, print server. This is also called as a member server, and these are all the client machine. Client 1,
Client 2, client 3, client 4.
right? Client 1, client 2. It means maybe they have that Windows 10, Windows 11 machine. Okay. Now, say for example, this machine has that is in 192.168.10.20.
Okay.
In this print server, this is server operating system. Okay. So you will be installing one role called print server.
By add roles, we
Correct.
have to install.
Install a role called print server. Okay. This server you installing the print server, right? Okay. Now this print server, it will ask you to, it will the print server, you just install the role. Okay. So you will be able to see, you will see that you will be go to print server configuration and you can add the IP address. You need to configure it. It will ask you that is in what is the printer name, what is the port number, right? and
Yes,
what
yes.
is the printer name, port number, IP address. Okay, and it would take that directly automatically driver to get configurations. Right, the
Okay.
printer
Yeah.
driver, maybe you have the HP, you have the compact, whichever the model is there, it will be get detected. In the printer configurations, you need to mention the what would be this would be a, you can say, network printer. This server configuration should be a network printer. You are configuring all the printer which is connected to this IP address. The IP address you are providing here 192.168.10.20, right?
Yes, yes.
So now you installed this printer. Now it is going to show you icon in a printer options. Printer options, it will show you the icon, printer icon. Now you can provide the one test page. You would be able to get from this print to here. You will get the printer. Now, how do I add the other computer and other users to get a printout? So there's a two options. Either you need to create a one group, print administrator, okay, and group name, add whom you need to provide access, okay, provide access, add all those users, and now come back this print icon, go to the properties, you can say add a group or users to provide the access.
Yes, got the point.
Also, what you need to do, you provide a permission, but they should have the print icon, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So with the administrator account, you need to go to that every computer, printer option, install network printer, provide the IP address with administrator access, printer IP address, and detected, and configure it. That's all. Every machine should have these options. Detected, and all the machines should have them when they go to the printer option like this in the search bar, print option, printer and scanner. Every computer should go to and see the printer and scanner. That icon should become. Okay, if you see this, you need to click on the add printer and scanner.
Okay.
In the client computer, I'm saying, not for the configuration part. Okay, now you would be able to see this network printer. You should see the one option called network printer. Example, you can select for the one of the printer. Now see these kind of options I have installed earlier, which is one printer here. So you should be going to open this like this. The icon should come like this. Add a printer. You can just sign in. You need to sign in with the administrator account. So you see this document, you can refer it. Okay.
Okay.
Network print configuration. Is this clear?
Okay.
It's simple actually. I'll show you that one document. You see this? How to set up a Windows server step-by-step guide. You see here, I was talking about this one. You see, install print and document services, open the server manager, manage add roles and features, click the prompt for the server role. You select this print and document services, print server, right? This steps has to be followed for the print server, correct?
Yes,
Role
yes,
has to
yes.
be installed. Then you need to configure it. Add a printer driver. It will
Mm.
ask you to, that is in tool, print management, print server, add a driver. This driver has to be installed. Now you need to set up that printer port with the IP address, right?
Okay.
Now, after that is in connect your printer. So first most important, print is done, right? From the server
Mm.
is print is done. This client part is very easy. Getting?
Yes, yes, got the point.
Okay. What is the next question?
Next question, sir. I have a little bit confusion. See, in our company there is a Canon printer. Okay, this is multifunction. If anyone want to scan, they have to use this Active Directory username and password.
Active Directory user and password. What is that?
If they want to access that printer,
Correct. Username, password. Correct. 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 Now see this. You have created one print administrator group and add whom you need to provide access. Now you added those users.
Okay, okay, okay,
And
okay,
you
okay.
have provided the permissions. You will not be able to get access everyone. No. You have the install the network printer, all the computer, but only you provide access whom you need to provide. That group you should be go to, that is network printer group and properties, and go to the member of.
By default, our printer as everyone has access to scan, but they have to use their Active Directory username and password.
That's what. When they wanted to log in, they should provide username and password because you added your username, right? Obviously, when they connect the printer, the prompt will open username and password. Then after giving the username and password, this will validate, do we have access or not that printer access? Then only would be able to get the print. Like now, if you want to change the network icon, it will be prompt username and password, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
So the same features it would apply to the print options.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Continue, sir.
Okay, now this is one done. Second one, what you asked question?
Second one, I asked any application.
Okay, any application need to provide
AD access to login.
user access. So this is a process actually. Okay. So from Active Directory you have a users, right? Users. Now from applications point of view, what's happening here? Now you must have applications onboarded, right?
Yes, yes.
Onboarded. And onboarded means what? You might be either you are onboarded for the in a cloud, you might be onboarded in ADFS, right?
Yes.
And this has been all set up, everything is be done, right? So say for example, in our office ticketing tool called Snow, right? Say in our office, our HRMS portal.
Yes.
Okay. Say in our office times update portal, right? Yes or no? These are all public accessible portals. Some of the public accessible portals, some of the private accessible portal, correct?
Yes, 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 yes.
This URL would be provided access to the Active Directory user. Now, these are all comes under for either you need to go to the cloud where you have onboarded application, or if you have onboarded in ADFS and you need to go to that application onboard applications. Okay, you must have created here groups. Okay, HR groups and IT groups and sales group. Okay. So what you're going to do in HR groups, you are adding who are all users, HR users. Add as a member HR team and add a member IT users, correct? You are creating a group and you are adding a user to this. Add a member sales users, correct?
Yes.
Now when you provide access to the application, what you're going to do here in a backend? So whom you need to provide these applications for HR, these applications for the sales, This application access for the IT. Now what you need to do, go to this application, whom you need to provide access. You need to add those groups, these groups which we created. But if you see in the portal, application onboarding, process and provide access to users. Okay. You see this?
Application onboarding.
Correct. So usually in a cloud, right? Say for example, cloud, it would be, license involved. Okay. Now you have that Office 65, correct? Office 65.
Yes.
Office 65 is that you need to assign the license, right? Assign the license.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Sure. Take your time.
It is that. Sure. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Sorry. Go ahead, Abdul.
No. Continue, sir.
Okay. No worries. So some of the applications are in the cloud, right? When you talk about Azure, you have that is an Office 65 want to provide access to the specific user, but you must assign the license. Say for example here, now that must be assigned the this P2 license. Okay, just see this portal.azure.com. Okay, I'm just logging to the portal. Okay. Okay, see this. This is my active this thing, Azure portal. You would need to go to the Entra ID. Okay, Entra ID, Microsoft Entra ID, and you are creating users and groups. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And when you go to this users, these are the users, right? So these users you wanted to provide some application access. You can go to the say, for example, is BLR HR001. Okay, this user one you need to provide access. If you go to the license here, and now you would be able to provide a license. How do you provide license? And you see this application also, right? So this applications you need to provide access. So this license is not assigned to here. So how do you assign the license here? You can go to the overview. First, you can just see this, your license is P2 enabled or not, right? This is the important. You see, Microsoft Entra ID is a free one. Okay, let me just see this. This is a free one. Why it is showing you a free one? It should be a pay as you go. 1 second. Microsoft. Okay, I have removed it. So by default, it is in free one only. So instead of no part for